Hi, in this video, I'm going to discuss how you can convert your um, documents like Word documents into shareable quizzes with the help of AI and with the help of this website. Okay, so first of all, you need to go to doctoquiz.com. You need to click on teacher dashboard, and if you didn't sign up, you just need to log in as a teacher or student. But I prefer as a teacher. If you're a teacher, if you want to share your quizzes with students, so after that, once you are in, you just need to click on create quiz, and now you can select any files. But this video is helpful to convert Word files like documents file into shareable quizzes. So I will select any document file from my file explorer, and then I will move forward. So for example, I can click on this file. Okay, and now I can click on this file. I can click on next button. I can define how many questions I want. For example, I need 10 questions. I can select 10. I need hard quiz. I mean complexity would be hard, so I would select that. The pass percentage would be 30%. So if student get more than 30%, they would be passed. Otherwise, they would be failed. And test duration, I think, is 10 minutes, because 10 minutes is enough for 10 minutes quiz, 10 questions quiz. And points per quiz, like points per question is 5. So it means total points will be 50, because there are 10 questions, so each question will get 5 points. After that, I can skip these two, the custom instruction and the quiz language, because I don't need any custom instruction to AI, and I don't need any specific language like Spanish or French, because AI understand automatically what is my current language. And deadline would be, I think, 2 days or 3 days. And after that, I can randomize questions to avoid cheating by the students, and I can click on review and generate quiz. It would only take few seconds, and my quiz would be generated automatically on this. Okay, so now I just need to wait, and once quiz has been generated, I can do modifications, like I can edit the questions, I can delete the questions. So you can see quiz has been generated. I can edit or delete the question. I can export Excel or export PDF. So once quiz has been generated, the next step is to publish it, create a class, and assign the quiz to a class. So I will obviously publish it. First of all, I will upload a cover image. If you don't have cover image, you can just generate with AI. You can see there is generate cover image option, but I have already some images, so I will select them. Okay, so for now, I think we can select any of the cover image from my file explorer. So I will just select it, and I can just publish my quiz. So it will only take few seconds, so let's wait for it, and then I can click on publish quiz, so my quiz could be published there. So now my cover image has been uploaded, and now I can click on publish quiz, and my quiz would be published. So once quiz has been published, now the next option is to either create a class, new class, or I can select a predefined or pre-existing classes that I already created in my past. So now you can see the test leaderboard has been showing all submissions, all average score, pass rate, pass thresholds, students pass, student failed, highest and lowest score. And you can see the quiz test configuration, and I can obviously edit them. And here you can see how many classes in how many classes that test is assigned. Right now I don't have any classes assigned yet, so that's why it is showing 0 here. Here I can see the performance and submission. I can see the questions. I can either edit or delete them. I can see enrolled students, like how many total enrolled, how many submitted, and how many not submitted. Now I can click on share and QR code to share this quiz with student. But before that, I either need to select a class. Okay, so I will assign this quiz to any particular existing classes. Okay, but if you didn't install, if you didn't create any class, you just go to my groups and you can create a new class. But I already enough, so I want to assign that quiz to this class students. Okay, so that quiz will be only assigned to this class students, not to other classes students. Okay, so you can see right now I have not any students, but I can add students here. I can invite the students to join this class. So once they have joined the class, you can assign the test. So what you need to do, you can just go to test, you can click on test, you can scroll down, you can click on share and QR code, and now you can click assign to a class, and you can select a specific class, and this class will be assigned. Now you can click on done, and now you can click on that class and you will see invite link, QR code, Telegram message, WhatsApp message, so you can share on their social media platforms. So again, I will explain you everything. The first step is to create a quiz. Okay, once you have created a quiz, you just need to publish it with cover image. Once quiz has been published, the next step is to create a class. Okay, and then you need to add some student if you already have. Otherwise, just share, just be straightforward, just share the link of the student test to your students, and they will be automatically join your class, and then they will take the test. So creating a quiz and creating a class, adding students to class, either by this add students button, or you can just invite them with the link. Okay, so the third step is to assign the test to a class. So you click it, you click the specific test, you assign the test to a specific class by this share and assign button like this. Okay, and you can assign to specific class, like I can assign to this class, and now you will see two classes here. Okay, so now you can see two classes. I can select any of class to generate its link, and now you have test link. You can share it with your students, and students first of all join this class, and then they will take your test. So in future, when they have already your class assigned, they would be automatically getting all of the tests that you assign to them in the future. So this is how this system works. You just need to create a class, first of all create a quiz, then create a class, and then you need to assign that test to that class and just share the link of the test to those classes. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I'm gonna covering other topics like converting web pages to quiz, converting images to quiz, converting audio or mic recordings to quiz. So in the next video, I will be explaining everything. I hope you like this, and you can subscribe to the channel. I will further cover more topics in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.